What's up, guys? The shipping container is gone. No more big old container right here. It's been a busy morning. Wasn't really expecting to move it today, but you know, I was glad to get rid of it. He had some time off, so we took off, got this thing, got it moved down to his place, got it all set up, and it's out of here. So I don't have to, it's one more project I don't have to mess with now. It has been a busy morning. Been doing a lot of cleanup, moving some stuff, adding to the burn pile. Of course, there's Mama Hen in there back messing with the babies. I took some of the stuff that they brought after the floor was done. What's this? Kind of the shakeout or the screenings or whatever they call it at the crusher. But to make a nice little pad to walk back and forth from the barn to the garden. So I'm gonna head on over to the house and start working on the gable ends a little bit. We've got some cold weather coming. It's supposed to be a lot of rain and who knows what's coming. So I'm gonna get over there and get some of that done and see how far I can get. Well, I guess you can see I got the first half of my pony wall built. Got the majority of the window frame. I just have to put the header above the top of it, but I'm out of height. I could scoot the scaffolding down and add another row, but there's no point in it. I'm just gonna run the pony wall all the way across, get that part done, get the other window framed out, and then I'll be ready to rent the man lift again. When I get the man lift here, then I can just run all the rest of my studs. And then I can start getting it sheathed. Once I get that done, I may go ahead and start chinking. Would have been nice if I'd bought some wheels, some casters to roll that around with, but I didn't. Hindsight. All right, guys, I have taken the last several days off. You haven't seen me posting a lot on any social media or, posting any videos or anything. I just kind of took a step back and relaxed for a little bit. Sometimes you just have to kind of, back off and reset. So I hope everyone had a great Easter holiday, wherever you're from. Hope everybody's doing good, everybody's healthy. I'm about to get back at it. We had a good series of storms come through here, just like most parts of the country. And I've got a few trees down I need to take care of. And other than that, no damage. Very little water actually inside here. So everything here is doing good. I did create a Facebook group for all you guys that are on Facebook. I get a lot of comments and questions, and I can't always get back to everybody. I try, but you wouldn't believe how many questions and emails and comments and stuff that I get. It's just hard to keep up with all of it, plus doing all the rest of this stuff by myself too. So I started a Facebook group so everyone can kind of get together in the same place, all you guys that have Facebook. I'll put a link down below. You can go there and, join the group, and you guys can just talk about whatever. It doesn't matter. Interact, share recipes or garden pictures or just whatever it is you want to do. I just wanted a place where everybody could come together and hang out, have fun, and, just get to know each other. This isn't all just about me. This is about all of us, So that's it. I'm going to go back, take care of some chickens right quick. It won't be long. I'm just waiting for one more part to come in, and the pigs are going to freezer camp. No, you're not happy about it. Some of you people aren't happy, but that's just the way that it is. So that's it. I'm going to go take care of that. I will be back to work on the house tomorrow. Might have to wear long pants tomorrow because I don't think we're supposed to get out of the high 20s or low 30s. So looks like I'm a little premature on packing up all the winter clothes. That's it. I'm done. See you guys later.